Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox account you intend to reset. This preserves ownership and makes options visible. Once signed in, make sure saves are backed up to Xbox Live or copied to external storage, because factory reset removes local data. Now press the Xbox button to open the guide, go to Profile and System, then Settings. This first step gets you directly to the menus where the reset controls live, so you can continue without delay. You navigate to System, then Console Info, and select Reset Console to view reset choices. This is where you decide scope. If you pick Reset and remove everything, the console returns to factory defaults and deletes all local data. Choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps to preserve installations while clearing system files. Once you make the choice, confirm it. This triggers the reset process. Make sure the console stays powered and connected. Interruption during reset can corrupt the system. You wait for the console to complete the reset. Timing varies from 10 minutes to over half an hour depending on chosen options and updates. Once the Xbox restarts, sign in and allow it to sync saved games from Xbox Live, then reinstall any apps you retained or removed. If the console fails to boot or gets stuck, make sure power is steady, and then perform an offline system update using a formatted USB and the Xbox support recovery file. That often resolves boot failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.